So the process of converting a slide deck into a video is a little bit more complicated. This will be a little bit longer of a tutorial, so stick with me. But here is my slide deck overview of Treasure Island Chapter 1. I've previewed it. I really like what I see, so I'm going to click the three dots to the right of the title, and I'm going to download this as a PowerPoint. This is going to download to my computer, and now I want to upload it to my drive. I'll click New and File Upload. I will upload that PowerPoint file that I just downloaded. And I've already done this one, so it's actually already here. We're going to keep both files. All right, here it is. We'll go ahead and open it, and it will open in Google Slides, which is where we want to be. And what I'm going to show you next actually will work for, as far as I know, any slide deck that you have. It doesn't just have to be a story or a Notebook LM slide deck. It'll take a second to load, and then I'll click File and Convert to Video. It's going to move this over to a program that's a little bit newer. It's called Google Vids. And don't worry if you've never seen this before. You're not going to actually have to do a whole lot inside of this platform. It's pretty impressive. So it's generating thumbnails of all of my slides, and I do want it to include all of my slides in this video, but if I didn't want that last slide or something along those lines, I could just deselect it. I'm going to keep it in there though, and then I'll click Next. Now it's writing the script, and it's using AI to write the script. It can analyze the text on the script, but it's not copying it verbatim. So what you're not going to get in the end is a video where it's just reading the words on the slide. It's going to read a summary of those words. We're going to do a voiceover only, and I'm going to go with the default voice for right now, but you could choose to have it generate an avatar and a voiceover. And then I am going to have it keep the animations feature toggled on. We'll have it create the draft video. And I'm going to leave this on just so you can see how fast this is, because this is amazing to me that this runs as quickly as it does. All right, it's converted my slides to a video and it's ready to go. I won't play the whole thing, but I am going to play part of it just so that you can see.
Welcome to this video exploring the first chapter of the classic adventure, Treasure Island. We begin at the Admiral Benbow Inn, where the journey first unfolds. Jim Hawkins is tasked with documenting the events of his adventure. He is instructed to write down every detail, with one critical exception. The exact location of the treasure must remain a secret. All right, I'll go ahead and pause it there, but hopefully you get the picture. I can do a lot to edit this video, but I'm just going to show you a couple of things. One thing that I can do is edit the voiceover. So over here on the right side, there's an option to click voiceover, and you can see each of my scenes has the voiceover typed out. I can toggle back and forth through my scenes. If I wanted to change the wording, include something else, so maybe I want to say welcome 5th grade students to this video exploring the first chapter of the classic adventure Treasure Island. I could do this, I could click update voiceover, and it would add that into the script. You'd hear the AI bot read this to your students. I can also change the voice in my voiceover. So I'm going to click change, and I can preview lots of different options.
This coffee is so good, your meeting notes.
Lots and lots of options. I'm actually going to come down here to my persuader and select, and then, oh, I should have done this already. I need to click all scenes first. I'm going to go ahead and do all scenes, change to my persuader, say select, and now I'll say update all voiceovers. We'll replace the existing voiceovers. And now let's see if it made the updates that I asked it to.
5th grade students to this video exploring the first chapter of the classic adventure, Treasure Island.
And it did it. If I'm content now with how my video looks, actually I want to show you one more thing. Pause that for a second. I have my background music down here at the bottom. If I click on my background music, click the volume button, I can select all tracks and then I can balance my sound so that the music isn't quite so loud. This makes it a little easier to understand. If you find that the background music is just too loud, you can click on it in scene 1 and you can decrease the volume. I know I've generated some videos before and that's been the feedback that I've gotten, is that the background music is really distracting for students or for anybody else listening to it. If you don't want it at all, you can just choose to mute it. I'm going to leave it how it is for right now. And now I'm ready to share this. If I want to share it with students, post a link online, something like that, I can come up here to share, click the little arrow, and I have lots of export options. I'm going to go ahead and export to my drive. It'll take it a little bit of time to process, but in just a minute, you'll see the option to copy the link, and I can take that link and share it wherever I need to. I'll copy my link. And again, now I'm ready to share this. I can paste it in Google Drive or anywhere else I'd like.